At CES 2019, Dell has introduced its flagship gaming laptop called the Alienware Area-51m. What makes it so unique is that this is by far the most upgradable gaming laptop we've come across yet. Here's our first look. The Area-51m uses desktop-class Intel CPUs and NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPUs, both of which can be upgraded. This modular design technically gives you the headroom to simply swap out the CPU or GPU a few years down the line without having to replace the entire laptop. The laptop uses an all-new industrial design language, which Dell has codenamed Legend. The chassis is built using a magnesium alloy, and there's a new 3-knuckled hinge design which is set to reduce the overall footprint. The laptop is designed to be a desktop replacement in the true sense of the word. It weighs a mighty 3.87 kilos and has narrow bezels on 3 sides. Of course, this being an Alienware laptop, the Area-51m supports Alien FX customizable lighting across various areas, command center for custom profiles, Cryotech 2.0 technology for better cooling, and the company's TacTex keyboard with 2.2mm of travel and pre-key RGB backlighting. The laptop uses desktop-class Intel 9th generation CPUs, which range from a Core i7 8700 up to a Core i9 9900K, which is an 8-core CPU. Since it is designed to be upgradable, the Area-51m uses socketed Intel Z390 motherboard, just like you'd find on desktops. You get 4 RAM slots which can accommodate up to 64GB of DDR4 RAM, single, dual and triple storage configurations ranging from hybrid drives, PCIe M.2 SSDs, to even a bunch of them in RAID 0 configurations. The most exciting bit, however, is the desktop class NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics cards. You have a choice between a GeForce RTX 2060 with 6GB GDDR6 RAM, GeForce RTX 2070 with 8GB of GDDR6 RAM, or a GeForce RTX 2080 with 8GB of GDDR6 RAM. The GPU is installed as a proprietary Dell graphics form factor card that isn't soldered onto the motherboard either. You could swap it out for something else that launches a few years down the line. The Alienware Area-51m is only available with a 17.3-inch IPS display, and the resolution tops out at Full HD. However, you can choose from a standard 60Hz panel all the way up to the ultimate combo, which includes a 144Hz panel, Tobii eye tracking and NVIDIA G-Sync. For connectivity, you get 3 USB 3.1 ports, a Thunderbolt 3 port, HDMI 2.0, mini display port 1.4, headphone and microphone sockets, gigabit Ethernet, and an Alienware graphics amplifier port. The laptop has a 90 Wh battery and ships with 2 AC power adapters. The Alienware Area-51m goes on sale from January 29 for a starting price of $2,549, with lower price configurations coming soon. Thanks for watching. For all things tech and the latest in CES news, log on to gadgets360.com.